Hi friends, today we're making 10 to add within 20. So the first thing I want to show you is 9 plus 4. I need to make 10 to figure this out. So I'm going to show you how to model it in two ways. The first way is with my handy dandy blocks. So I have 9 and 4, but I want to make 10. I know that by moving one unit up from my second addend, I can make 10. Now I have 10 and 1, 2, 3, which is the same as 13. So now I know that 9 and 4 is the same as 13. You can do this by drawing two 10 frames and using beans or colors or whatever you'd like. To represent it in the way that we're doing today, I would see 9 and 4. I could even draw 9 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same thing. I can clearly see now that I have 10 and 3. I took 1 from my 4 and then I have 3 over here. So now I have 13. This makes 10, 3 more is 13. That tells me that 9 and 3 is the same. 9 and 4 is the same as 10 and 3. So today, you're going to be borrowing some from the second addend to make a 10. Let's do another one. But this one, I'm going to go a little slower, and I'm going to ask you guys for your input. So let's say I have 8, and I have 8 sheeps, and then I'm herding them. And 5 more sheeps come along, and I think, how many sheeps are there in all? Well, I know it would be easier to make a 10 for my first addend. But how many more do I need to get to 10? Give me a brain. Yeah, 2 more. 8 and 2 make 10. So if I had my 5 and I put 2 with my 10, how many are left? 3. Now that's the same as 10 and 3, which is 13. Good job. Let's do one more together, and then you're going to do a bunch on your own. This time, let's do 9 and 7. I'm going to draw it out. If you want to draw it out, that's fine too. I'm going to draw my 9, and then I'm going to draw my 7. When I draw my 7, I'm going to color in each little dot so I know it's a separate addend. I also want to make sure that when I'm drawing these circles, I'm making an exact 5 and 5. That'll help my thinking to make sure that I have 10 at a time. So I've got my 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you tell me what you see? Yeah, 10 and 6. So now let's do our number bond. How many did I take from 7 to make my first 10? I took 1, that's right. And how many did I have left over here? That's right, I took 6. So what is 10 and 6? That's correct. Your answer is 16. Now you're going to do this on your own. You're going to have a lot of different practice problems where you're going to be making 10. You can use any of the strategies I just told you. So you can draw your circles, you can build two 10 frames and move one up. So parents, if you're watching, this is a fun activity you can do with beans or colored pieces of paper, as long as you make sure that the two addends, the two numbers you're adding, are different colors and you physically move one up to make the 10, that's a really good practice. And if you don't think you need to do that practice anymore because you learned that already in first grade, then you can use this tool where you're just drawing your circles, or you can go straight to making your number bond come out of your second addend to make a 10. I can't wait to see what you guys do. Have fun!